Oregano essential oil is derived from the oregano plant, which is a popular herb commonly used in Mediterranean and Mexican cuisine. The oil is extracted from the leaves of the plant and has a strong, spicy aroma. Oregano essential oil is known for its many benefits for the mind and body. Here are some of the benefits and uses of oregano essential oil. Boosts immunity. Oregano essential oil has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for boosting the immune system. It can help the body fight off infections and prevent illnesses. Relieves pain. Oregano essential oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. It is often used to relieve headaches, muscle pain, and joint pain. Supports respiratory health. Oregano essential oil has expectorant and decongestant properties that can help alleviate respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, and sinusitis. It helps to loosen phlegm and mucus, making it easier to breathe. Promotes digestion. Oregano essential oil can help improve digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices. It can also help alleviate gastrointestinal issues such as bloating, constipation, and indigestion. Fights infections. Oregano essential oil is a potent natural antibiotic that can help fight bacterial and fungal infections. It is often used to treat skin infections, nail fungus, and other types of infections. Reduces stress and anxiety. Oregano essential oil has calming properties that can help reduce stress and anxiety. It promotes feelings of relaxation and tranquility, making it an excellent natural remedy for those struggling with stress-related disorders. Repels insects. Oregano essential oil has insecticidal properties that can help repel insects such as mosquitoes and ticks. It is a natural alternative to chemical insect repellents. Here are some ways to use oregano essential oil. Diffuse it in your home or workspace to promote immunity and respiratory health. Add a few drops to a carrier oil and massage onto sore muscles and joints to reduce pain and inflammation. Inhale directly from the bottle or diffuse to alleviate respiratory issues. Mix with a carrier oil and apply topically to the skin to fight infections and promote healthy skin. Oregano essential oil is a versatile natural remedy that offers many benefits for the mind and body. With its antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and expectorant properties, it can help boost immunity, alleviate pain and respiratory issues, improve digestion, fight infections, and reduce stress and anxiety.